Hi guys, I welcome you all for e-learning of pharmaceutical chemistry subject. In that today we will discuss about limit test for arsenic. In chemistry, limit means a value or amount that is likely to be present in a substance, and test means to examine or to investigate something. Thus, limit test is nothing but to identify the impurities in the substance and compare it with standards. The standards are given by pharmacopoeias, right? In general, limit test is defined as quantitative or semi-quantitative test designed to identify and control small quantities of impurity which is likely to be present in the substance or raw material. Limit test is generally carried out to determine inorganic impurities mainly. What is the limit test for arsenic then? Limit test for arsenic is based on the reaction of arsenic gas with hydrogen ion to form yellow stain on mercuric iodide or mercuric chloride paper in presence of reducing agent like potassium iodide. It is called as Guzet apparatus or Guzet test, sorry. And the apparatus by which we carried out this test is called as Guzet apparatus and requires this Guzet apparatus to do the same. Okay, the questions came in your mind are likely. How do you test for arsenic? There are tests available to measure arsenic in your blood, urine, hair, and fingernails. The urine test is the most reliable test for arsenic exposure within the last few days. Okay, test on hair and fingernails can measure exposure to high levels of arsenic over the past 6 to 12 months. Second question, how does arsenic affect our body or human body? The organs of the body that are usually affected by arsenic poisoning are the lungs, kidneys, skin and liver. Other effects may include darkening of skin and thickening of skin layer. Chronic exposure to arsenic is related to vitamin A deficiency, which is related to heart diseases and night blindness. How fast can arsenic kill you? This is most important question. Death from acute arsenic poisoning can take anything from 2 hours to 4 days, although victims have been known to linger for a fortnight. For most, though, the misery lasts at least 24 hours. Can you recover from arsenic poisoning? Ingestion only poses health problems. If a dangerous amount of arsenic enters the body, then it can lead to cancer, liver disease, coma, and death also. Treatment involves bowel irrigation, medication, and chelation therapy. It is rare to find dangerous amounts of arsenic in the natural environment. It is very rare, so no need to worry. Okay. To perform limit test for arsenic for given unknown sample, we need following chemicals: lead acetate solution having strength 10% weight by volume, potassium iodide solution, zinc, and mercury chloride paper or mercuric iodide paper, which is available in your lab. Apparatus, arsenic apparatus or Guzet apparatus, beaker, glass rod and stand. Okay. Next, we'll see reagent preparation. Preparation of the test solution. Okay, the solution of water soluble substance is prepared with water and stanated hydrochloric acid. The solution of substance such as metallic carbonates which effervescence with acids is obtained with brominated hydrochloric acid. As test solution, the substances which are insoluble, example barium sulfate, bentonite or kaolin, are diffused in water. Another solution is stannate chloride solution, AST. It is prepared by adding stannous chloride solution to an equal volume of hydrochloric acid, reducing the original volume by boiling and filtering through a fine grain filter paper. Third solution, stanated hydrochloric acid, that is AST. It is prepared by adding 1 ml of stannous chloride solution AST to 100 ml of hydrochloric acid solution. Fourth, Preparation of standard arsenic solution having strength 10 ppm, 10 parts per million. Dissolve 0.33 grams of arsenic trioxide in 5 ml of 2 molar sodium hydroxide and dilute 2 to 50 ml with water. Dilute 1 volume of this solution to 100 volumes with water. Will get standard arsenic solution. Next and fifth, zinc. It is granulated zinc which complies with the following additional test. To 10 ml of the granulated zinc, add 15 ml of stannous chloride solution ST and 5 ml of 0.1 molar potassium iodide. Apply the general test but allow the reaction to continue for 1 hour. Okay. Next, no visible stain should be produced on the mercury chloride paper or mercuric iodide paper. Repeat the test by adding 0.1 ml of standard arsenic solution having strength 10 ppm. A faint but distinct yellow stain is produced, and this is very important one. Next, we'll see principle. Arsenic is harmful due to its toxic nature, right? So there is ban to carry out this experiment in lab, but it is very important as point of view of exam. Pharmacopoeia method is based on Gazette method. Concentration of arsenic beyond 0.01 milligram per liter in pollutant by the World Health Organization, that is WHO. All arsenic present converted into arsenic gas, that is AsH3, by reduction with zinc and hydrochloric acid based on the reaction of arsenic gas with hydrogen ion to form yellow stain on mercuric iodide or mercury chloride paper. British Pharmacopoeia suggests the use of mercury chloride paper instead of mercuric bromide paper. Let's see another slide. The sample dissolved in acid whereby the arsenic present as impurity in the sample converted into arsenic acid. Arsenic present as arsenic acid in the sample is reduced to arsenious acid by reducing agent like potassium iodide, stannous acid, zinc, hydrochloric acid, etc. Arsenious acid is further reduced to arsine gas, which is very dangerous one, by hydrogen and reacts with mercury chloride paper to give a yellow stain. This is how the procedure is. The depth of yellow stain on mercury chloride paper will depend upon the quality of arsenic present in the sample. Quality or quantity of arsenic present in the sample, which is compared with that of standard stain produced by known amount of arsenic. The arsenic impurity present in sample is first converted into arsenious acid by the action of reducing agents like potassium iodide, zinc, hydrochloric acid and stannous chloride like solutions. Then the arsenious acid is then reduced to arsine gas by the action of nascent hydrogen, which is produced by the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid. Third one, the liberated arsine gas reacts with mercury chloride paper and forms yellow stain. This is procedure. Next, we'll see reactions. Impurity As3 plus converted into H3AsO4 arsenic acid. Next, H3AsO4 arsenic acid converted into arsenious acid H3AsO3. Next, arsenious acid combined with nascent hydrogen, that is 3 moles of hydrogen H2. It will produce arsine gas AsH3 plus liberating 3 molecules of water. Okay. Next, AsH3, that is arsine, combined with mercury chloride, that is HgCl2 to form yellow color stain HgAsH2 twice plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, the net reaction is arsenic acid gets converted into arsenious acid H3AsO4 plus H2SnO2 gets converted into H3AsO3 plus H2SnO3. Now we need to check various reactions, various chemicals. Why we need to add these various chemicals. What are the reasons behind adding these chemicals to our reaction? Okay, we'll see one by one. First is stannous chloride. Okay, why we add stannous chloride to this gazette test? Stannous chloride is used for complete evolution of arsine gas. Okay, another zinc, potassium iodide and stannous chloride. Okay, zinc, potassium iodide and stannous chloride is used as a reducing agent. Third one, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used to make the solution acidic one. And last one, lead acetate. Plagiar or papers are used to trap any hydrogen sulfide which may be evolved along with arsine. What is the use of lead acetate cotton plug in the limit test of arsenic? The answer is lead acetate cotton wool is used in the limit test for arsenic to form stain, which is used for the comparison of the results, right? Limit test is referred to as quantitative or semi-quantitative test designed to detect limit or limit small quantities of impurities that are commonly present in pharmaceutical substances. So these are the reasons behind adding various kinds of or various types of chemicals to our gazette test. Next we'll see the diagram of gazette apparatus. Regular apparatus with alternate device. This is shown in figure A and B for fixing mercury chloride paper. Okay. In diagram 1, they have shown one apparatus having 2 mm hole for gas, 6.5 mm internal diameter having tube, mercury chloride paper which is fitted between two rubber bulbs, spring clip rubber bunks or two rubber bulbs, 200 mm long glass tubes with 8 mm external diameter, upper bunk portion, lower bunk portion. Apparatus used for arsenic limit test on the left is an alternative device for securing mercury chloride paper. Okay, this is the arrangement made for this special type of apparatus. Now we'll see procedure to carry out the test. First we'll see the procedure for test solution and next for standard. First, the required amount of sample solution is placed in the wide mouth bottle. To this add 1 gram of potassium iodide and 10 gram of granulated zinc, standard granulated zinc. Immediately close the bottle with stopper assembly. Then the acid present in the test solution and zinc reacts, produces nascent hydrogen which reacts with arsenious acid present in the sample and liberates arsine gas which passes through the tube and reacts with mercury chloride paper and produces yellow stain as we have seen in principle. This is the procedure. Next, the reaction is maintained for 40 minutes to ensure complete conversion of arsenious acid to arsine gas. This is what the net reaction is. Conversion of arsenious acid to arsine gas. Some heat pressure are produced during the reaction due to the increased amount of gas inside the apparatus. And last one, the rate of reaction is increased by placing the total assembly on a warm surface or electrical water bath, we can say. Okay, this is the procedure for test solution. This is doing by this procedure doing by gazette apparatus. And let's see the procedure for standard solution. Standard stain is prepared by using dilute arsenic solution having strength 0.132 grams of arsenic in 100 ml. Okay, 1 ml is diluted to 100 ml. The comparison of the stain is done after the completion of test immediately. So the test and standard should be carried out simultaneously. Next, we'll see observation, conclusion and result. If the stain produced by test is no deeper than standard stain, then sample complies limit test for arsenic as per pharmacopoeia. Okay, if the stain produced by test is no deeper than standard, that means we need to do very carefully. Okay, next, conclusion. After 40 minutes, if the intensity of yellow stain produced in the standard is more than that in test, the sample complies with limit test of lead. Okay, and last result, limit test of arsenic passes the test. Here are some precautions we need to take while doing our practical. If the stain present in the filter paper becomes dark, the test should be repeated by using pure reagents. Okay, the most suitable temperature for carrying out this test is 40 degrees Celsius. Cotton wool dipped in lead acetate solution is used to trap any hydrogen sulfide gas liberated with arsenic gas. Care must be taken that the filter paper remains quite dry during the reaction. This is what the procedure for limit test. And thank you so much.